Hi Tim,
Hey, Bang, how's it going?
very good, thank you.
How you doing?
Pretty good. Just waiting for you.
Yeah, yeah.
I just got back.
You got a nice green background there. Awesome, awesome. Well, yeah. I think we can get started. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to do this call, Bang. It's super helpful just for others online to see your experience and things like that. But would love to just learn more about like your background and like where you're from and you know what you did before getting started with Stock Navigators.
Yeah, for sure. First of all, thanks for having me today, Tim. I hope today's video will help some of the other new member or other people who wanna invest but don't know what to do. So I hope my video will help them out.
Yep.
So to start with, I start trading. It's funny. It's funny. Before I start trading back in 2018, right? And I did not know anything about trading. I only have I start with a little bit of money because I didn't know what to do, and you know I keep losing money. I listen to my friends. I watch the news just like everybody else how's trading. So I was I was down. I didn't know what to do, and you know, with my current job before it was a year ago, I was working so much that I didn't have enough time. You know, my life back then was like every time I have to schedule everything, even walking my dog. I tell myself like I have 10 minutes to walk my dog. I have 30 minutes to go to the gym. So my life was a mess. So I start seeing your ad, your advertise on Facebook and even YouTube. So the first ad I didn't take the first step, and I was holding it back. And then when the March 2020 hit, everything was shut down. So I was like, ah, so either I do it now or never, because when it's get back to normal, everybody back to normal life. With 9 to 5 job, I don't even have time to do it. So instead of just how people, instead of complaining and crying about it, I took action. So until now, and I choose swing trading method, and I start seeing results since then. So for me, it took me 2 months from start to finish the your videos, your 6 week course.
Yep.
And it was March, right? So I didn't trade until June of this year, 2020. So from I start seeing a good result. I start making money, and it's great. It's fit my lifestyle so much better. You know, I'm now able to do my own thing and still um, swing trade. It's amazing, and I want to thank you for what you're doing, and your dad is what is doing for us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course, of course. I appreciate it, and I'm sure my dad will watch this as well. And he's obviously that's his goal is to be able to help change people's lives, and so obviously it makes him super happy to see these videos. And then Bang, could you share some more about what you were doing as a career before finding us, and where you're located in the U.S.?
Okay. I was in California. I came when I was 11. So just like everybody else, go to school. I went to college. and start working in automotive technology, basically mechanic. And I decided to move away, to get out of the city a little bit. So I moved to Iowa since 2016. I started working in a nail shop as a nail technician. So right now I still do a little bit of that. It's a family. My family took over the business, and it's now a family business. So I start working less because of my back pain. I start having issue, working long hour and stuff like that. So that's why I was looking for like a side job or like investing that don't take a lot of time but still making money. So
Awesome. And I know you said before taking the trading program, you mentioned that you took a whole bunch of other programs and stuff out there. Would love to hear more about
so it's not trading. I didn't took trading. You're the only one I took for trading.
Yeah.
Course. But I'm working on my online courses, my e-commerce, and other things that I'm still learning and I'm working on it.
Yeah. And what kind of other courses did you take?
I took e-commerce, selling online products. Mm-hmm. I took affiliate, promoting other people course.
Affiliate marketing?
I mean, products. Yeah. And I also took digital marketing, which is, marketing for businesses. And I'm still working on it too.
Yep.
But so far, with compared to other courses and Stock Navigator, I make a lot more than that compared to other courses. And I know it takes time, so it's a career. You have to stick with it for a while.
Got it. So Stock Navigators has been your most successful program so far?
Yes.
Awesome. And can you kind of share, some of your success with trading as well, and how much it's changed your life?
Yeah. So it took me 2 months to study the course. I was all in. I was, very hopeful the program is there, and then I start trading swing trade, and instead of before I was in, how it's funny. Your webinar talk about how Tesla was they if we look back to Tesla a year ago or even further back, it was sideways market, and I did not know anything to do with sideways market compared now. And I was in penny stock, so it was rough.
Yep.
If you can do Google search right now, when UWT ETF stock, I was in that trade, and actually the stock got delisted, so I was very upset. And
this was all before you took the program?
Yes, all the program before I took the course. I started 2018. So, and so now all the knowledge in the course got me back, and the methods got my life changed, and I was more confident in the trade. I know where to swing point, entry and exit. So very good, very helpful.
Yeah, and I know you said that you made a lot more back than your investment in our program. If you don't mind sharing some of the numbers, I think it would be super helpful for others.
Yeah, so up to date is about 42,000 since June.
Since June. Yep.
Yeah, and I actually took some out, withdraw some money, and I'm actually working with my lender to get my first rental property in Iowa.
Awesome.
So just small rental property.
Yep, that's super awesome. Congrats, Bang.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, you paid for the program many times over, and you essentially paid for a free education and made money off of it. So sounds pretty good to me.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And for those of you who are new, this is my story, and with the help from the community, Stock Navigator, the head trader, which is Tom, he's there for you almost every day. In the morning every day, and twice a week. Twice a week Q&A call. If you have me like me, you can't fail. Everybody helping each other, and he's a good person. I feel like we see him more than you do.
Yeah. That's what I joke with people, is like people see my dad and talk to him and hang out with him more than I do.
Yeah.
So
actually, I was in the online this morning as well.
Oh, awesome.
So yeah, it's good to see the S&P going up. So
yep.
That's good.
Cool. And so last thing I want to touch on is, I know you said trading's changed your life in many ways. If you could just share some more.
Especially time. Time is what changed the most, because I was making money with my job. Like I have no complaint. The most thing is time. You have more time with your family, more time to travel if you want to. Yeah, it's what really pushed me, and I took action.
Yeah, that's so awesome, and happy that you saw the ad and it made you want to take action. But I think at the end of the day, and I tell everyone this is, we can provide all the tools and resources to help support someone, but it's ultimately up to the person who joins and how serious and committed they are, to invest in their future and put in the work.
You have to be committed.
Yeah. And I mean, that's what you did. So props to you. You deserve all the credit. And I think it's just awesome to hear your story and your success. And I'm happy that it's opening up so many doors for you, like the rental property in Iowa, or even, spending more time and, not having to worry to like walk your dog, like you said, or like scheduling time for the gym. And
schedule everything. But now it's so much better.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Bang. That's super helpful. I'm sure anyone watching this would love to hear your story, and thanks again for sharing your story.
Yeah, thank you so much, team. Thank you, Stock Navigator community, and thank you, Uncle Tom.